let's move to the trading platform here, and the first one I'm going to talk about is, should be able to see it. So the first one is the euro versus New Zealand dollar here, and I'm going to show you the trading idea. The trading idea was basically trading a short here that has started, of course, well before the beginning of 2016, which hit the first target here, and has the potential to bring price lower. Indeed, during this week, we saw price actually, sorry, during this month, we saw price actually going below the lows here. So on the daily, what we saw was the market getting back into this value area here. It's the daily value area, not weekly. This signal would have been even stronger if the market got into this area here. So the trade was using a break of value area on the 240 minutes here, on the 4-hour time frame, and once the market went below this area here, that's when I got involved. In fact, I got involved around 153.32, and I had 152.30. Sorry, 152.25. I had the first half out, and I'm looking for this market to trade into 150.65. Okay, so that's my second target. So this is a 1.65% return on the account, and again, we are also seeing the way I adjusted my stop loss initially. 153.21 was sorry, 153.32 was my entry, and my stop was 100 pips above. There's a reason for that, and there was here an extended move starting here, and I simply have put my stop above the 61% level. Right after that, once my first target was hit, and I now carry only 0.5% of the position, as I showed you in the educational part of this video. I'm actually carrying only half of the position. That's risk management, and my stop is above this level here. Because even if, and I could lower even more at the moment, because even if this market retraces 50%, there is algo pushing this price lower, there's a larger time frame pushing this price lower, and there is also dump money here pushing this price lower. As you can see, dump money has been pushing this price lower, and now I'm looking for the target. Even if the market does not get there, I have locked in a profit, and I'm not worried about this market. I don't have to be flexible. I don't have to be stressed about this, and I will just look at how this position plays and focus on other positions. Okay. The second market I wanted to make consideration on is obviously the SP 500. It's a very interesting market. What we saw in this market, we saw the market correcting lower, getting into a value area here, a weekly value area that found participation from that money. For a number of days, the smart money short could also was also pushing this price lower, as you can see here. Initially this failed, but every time after that the market got into this area, that money and smart money pushing this price lower. Today with the news, that area was broken, So both the dump money and the smart money, daily smart money, were broken. Now, it doesn't mean that this market will necessarily continue higher, but obviously this cannot be played any longer. Here the idea was to actually, if you had time and to day trade to see how this would actually behave, of course, as the market went above this level, that would have been the stop, okay, for shorts. And for longs, there was a supporting argument for longs as well, because there was a 50% retrace here on the smaller time frame, that, as you can see, that held actually today when these lows were tested. And that could have been another possibility if you believed that longs were in control. And I'm talking about this 50% retrace here, which held today. So this is still today here in Canada. This is a new bar for Friday tomorrow. And when price got into this level, it actually was rejected. But obviously there were a number of other areas, although this dump money, in this case we had for our spare money fighting a daily dump money. And in this case, the smart money won. All right, so this is it for the show. I hope you like the format, and if you're watching this video, please feel free to tweet. I want to thank you, and thanks for joining.